The weather today is just great. It's good that we decided to spend the day in nature. But where there is nature, there are insects. So today Sparky and I will tell you about the names of insects in English. Ready to learn more about insects?
Yes. Yip, yip, yip!
Great! Then let's get started. I wonder where we should start. Look! What a beautiful butterfly! This is butterfly.
Butterfly. Butterfly.
Well said! Sparky loves butterflies. It's a wonder he didn't run after her. Here comes the bee. Bees make honey. This is bee.
Bee. Bee.
You're doing great! Bees love flowers and honey. But you better be careful with them. They can sting if you anger them. Sparky knows what I'm talking about. Who else is flying around here? A dragonfly. This is a dragonfly.
Dragonfly. Dragonfly.
You did a great job. Dragonflies are harmless, unlike a mosquito. Oh, it's a mosquito. It's a mosquito.
Mosquito. Mosquito. Woohoo!
Cool! Mosquitoes, like vampires, love to drink blood, and their bites itch a lot. I don't like mosquitoes, so I usually run away from them. Who else do we have here? Oh, how beautiful. This is a beautiful ladybug. This is ladybug.
Ladybug. Ladybug. Yip, yip, yip!
Great job! Ladybugs are very small, but if you look closely, you can see what beautiful coloring they have. But the coloring of a fly is not so beautiful and colorful. This is fly.
Fly. Fly.
Well done! You want a funny fact. A fly is not just called fly for fun, it's because it can fly. Not the funniest joke, but at least it's scientifically accurate. It's good that spiders can't fly. By the way, I need to show you a spider. This is spider.
Spider. Spider.
You said this word well. Spiders are scary. For me, they are even scarier than zombie bots. For example, ants are quite cute. It's ant.
Ant. Ant. Woohoo!
Good. Ants are very hardworking and strong. Once at a picnic, I saw a group of ants steal a whole apple from Sparky. They dragged it for a long time.
Yip, yip, yip!
And here is a beetle. Just a beetle.
Beetle. Beetle. Yip, yip, yip!
Cool. In general, I noticed that there are a lot of different beetles on Earth. They are all so interesting that I want to see them all. But what I definitely don't want to see are cockroaches. This is cockroach.
Cockroach. Cockroach.
Good job! Cockroaches like garbage and hiding in the shadows. I don't like garbage and shadows, so cockroaches and I have different interests. But it was a very interesting day. We looked at different insects. And I hope we learned a lot of new English words. Let's review all the words we learned together. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Bee.
Bee.
Dragonfly.
Dragonfly.
Mosquito.
Mosquito.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Fly.
Fly.
Spider.
Spider.
Ant.
Ant.
Beetle.
Beetle.
Cockroach.
Cockroach.
It was a great lesson. Do not forget to repeat new words and look at our channel with Sparky. We will have even more new educational videos about the English language. Bye!
Yip, yip, yip!
Loved learning new words with Buddy? Install the Buddy.ai app. You'll discover even more new words and have real conversations with Buddy. Plus, enjoy lots of cartoons and educational games to learn English. Try learning English with Buddy for free by using the link in the description below the video.